Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your properties with Nationwide, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin protecting your properties with Nationwide, visit their official website. Once on the home page, navigate to the insurance section. Select Homeowners Insurance from the drop-down menu. Review the available policy options that best meet your needs. Click on Get a Quote to start the process. Enter the necessary information about your property. This often includes your address, property type, and the year it was built. Provide details about your personal belongings and any valuable items. Next, choose additional coverage options that may be relevant to your situation. You may want to consider options like personal property, liability, and additional living expenses. After entering all pertinent information, click Continue to proceed. Review your quote carefully to understand the coverage and costs involved. If everything looks good, proceed to the application phase. Create an account with Nationwide to save your progress. Fill out any remaining required fields, such as personal identification and contact information. Once your application is complete, submit it for review. You will receive confirmation of your application shortly after submission. If needed, you can adjust your policy later by logging into your account. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the Nationwide app for managing your policy easily. Monitor your coverage regularly to ensure it continues to meet your property needs. Finally, consider contacting a Nationwide agent for personalized assistance if you have any questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.